Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name's Nick, also known as Zethnick, and for those of you who don't know, I am a part-time reseller on eBay while finishing up college here at the University of South Carolina. And today is Monday, so that means we're going to go over some weekend sales and see just how much I made this weekend. So stay tuned and we'll get to the sales. So getting to some of the sales for this weekend, a lot of the items were from Crazy Cazboys here in Columbia, South Carolina. And basically what I'm going to do is show you what items I got, how much they sold for, and then later on in the video we'll break it down and see just how much I profited from it. So the first item we have here is this forehead and ear thermometer. This I got in a pallet that I bought in the beginning, like January or so. So I only have maybe $1 or so into it, and it sold for $10.50 free shipping. The next item I have is from Crazy Cazboys. This is a Cable Mod premium cable kit, brand new, sealed still, just has a little tear in the plastic here because I guess the shipping label is there. This actually sold to a buyer for $61.99 free shipping. The next item we have is this Xikar lighter for cigars, a really fancy lighter brand. This sold to a buyer for $41.99 free shipping, and I only have $7 invested into it. Next item we have is this Ultra Performance thumbsticks for PlayStation 4 controller. I got this at Cazboys on their 25-cent day, so paid 25 cents for it, and it sold same day for $11.99 free shipping. So even though small and didn't really sell for a whole lot, even though I only have 25 cents invested into it, I'm still able to make a good amount of money from it. The next item is this Skylander Superchargers 3-pack. I've been selling these pretty consistently. I still have, I think, like 10 or so left. I bought these at Crazy Cazboys. They actually came in these boxes right here. They came in packs of 6, so I only paid $7 per box, so I only have about $1.15 invested into each one, and I'm selling them each for $18.99 free shipping. So after shipping and fees and whatnot, I'm still making $8 or $9 for every one that I have. Next item is right here from Crazy Cazboys again. It's some Liquid IV lemon lime. This is like some hydration stick pouches. I picked up the whole case for $7. Didn't really know too much about it, but looked it up and ended up selling it to a buyer for $59.99 free shipping. So another healthy profit there on an item that I only have a couple bucks into. Next up we have these Hokas, these Hoka Challenger ATR 3s. I found these at the Salvation Army in Columbia. It's overall in good condition. That day I actually found 3 pairs of Hokas. One of them I sold for like 40, the other one I sold for 90, and then this one sold for $33.99 free shipping. And I only have, I think, $4.99 into it, so not a whole lot for some nice profit. The next item we have is this Intel H61 motherboard. It's for Intel, so it's not actually a original manufacturer one, but it is for an Intel. I actually, believe it or not, found this at Cazboys on a 25-cent day. I just saw it laying there, and it's still brand new. One of the things I was able to tell by is this plastic sealing over the CPU chip, so it hasn't even been used yet. But I have 25 cents invested into it, and it actually sold for $42.99 in like a day or two. So there is really, I mean, it's all profit there, essentially. It's only a quarter into this thing, so really nice buy, and just want to be on the lookout for these sort of deals, especially on Amazon Overstock places on their fill a bag day or even 25-cent day. The next item I have, I think, is in here. Yeah, it's right here. This is Ravian 12-volt battery and flashlight. Looks like that, sort of like a portable charger. But this sold to a buyer for $61.99 free shipping. And like most items, I only have about $7 into it. Next item I got was actually, it's also in this bin. I think I got it from either Dollar Day or 25-cent Day, but this is a off-brand battery for like a MacBook. I picked it up, yeah, for $1.25 and sold for $29.99 free shipping. If it ends up weighing over a pound, it'll have to go parcel select ground. It might have to go parcel select ground regardless, since it's a lithium-ion battery, but we'll see what happens with that. I completely forgot I had another bin over here full of stuff, but it is right here. Nice little NASCAR watch that I had at my house forever, never used it, and sold it to a buyer for like $16.99 free shipping. The next one we have is this OEM Xbox One power brick. And what was neat about this is I found the brick and the one cable, which are all OEM. And then what I also needed though was just a normal plug output. And I went on 25-cent Day to Casboys and found one of these plugs. So for 25 cents, worked in perfectly, and only paid $1 for this, 25 cents for this. Sold for $26.99 free shipping. So again, another item where I don't have a lot into it and got a nice chunk of change from it. The last item that I have in this garage is right here, back here, behind all these little protein jelly things. It's this SSX 52S Siren with strobe light. What was neat about this is on $7 Day this past Friday, I was standing in line and there was a long line, and me and this other guy were just talking, but then we both decided to get up and go look around a little, and right in the bin next to me, I ended up finding this and looking at sold comps, and I ended up selling it to a buyer yesterday for $50 free shipping, just because that buyer also sells alarm products, and I only had like 12 views on it, so I didn't really know when I was going to sell this, and might as well take the $50 now and get it off my load. Lastly, we have some other trading card orders. I have 3 trading card orders. Those are up in my apartment, and really those were just because I do a lot of card openings. Those were just extra cards that I ended up ripping and just turning them into like little bulk lots. So I sold one with a bunch of basketball rookies for $17.99 free shipping, another one for around $10 free shipping, and then I sold 2 Pokemon cards for $10 free shipping. And 2 of those are going to have to go first class since they're too thick for the trading card service, which is something I will talk about actually in a future video. And the other ones will go for the trading card service, so it's only like 50 cents to ship. Alright, so we are back at the apartment. I just made it to the post office. I think it was like 4:54 by the time I got there. But all 18 packages were sent out today, and we're just going to go over the very quick breakdown for today's video. So for Monday and the weekend sales, I had a gross total of approximately $535. That includes just that doesn't include things like after cost of goods and eBay fees and etc. But once I do take out all these eBay fees, promotional fees, and 10% eBay fees, along with the cost of goods, I ended up profiting around $307 for this weekend. But that's gonna do it for today's What Sold video for this past weekend sales. If you did enjoy the content, I would ask you to hit that subscribe button and also think about liking the video. I just reached 100 subscribers the other week, even though I haven't posted a video in a long while, but I am very appreciative of that. I honestly never thought I'd hit 100 subscribers. It's a big accomplishment for me personally. And I'm hoping once I do finish up school in the next couple weeks and be able to sit down and have a lot more free time to really go ahead and start grinding out some more YouTube videos and content for you guys to not only learn a little bit more about reselling, but also help you put more money in your pocket down the line. But thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.